So let's go and see what I bought. Now, I bought a lot, and I'm just gonna go and sort of, you know, this video is not sponsored by anyone. I bought quite a lot of fabric from different places, and I just kind of wanted to talk a bit about it, and you know, seeing what sort of projects I can do with it, and you know, the prices. If you know, if you want to get into sewing and you don't know how much fabric costs, or you know what you can get for your money. Now, taking in mind that this video pretty much has 70% of the same fabric, and the idea that I bought all these fabrics for me to know how to do t-shirts, but very nicely and very well done t-shirts. So keeping that in mind, I just, you know, I don't sew a lot. I just got into it, and I just kind of wanted to take you guys in the journey, if you know, if that can happen, I guess. So yeah, let's go. That's quite a lot. So this one is your typical normal white jersey fabric. I like to have like a nice neckband that is wide and is soft. So I thought I can have it just in case, and if I do something a different color and I feel that I could potentially put a white neckband, I will, because it looks nice and I really want to do it. So this is the first one. It's quite a lot, and it has a bit of a I think makeup, but it's not makeup, it's just like a little line that I think could go, hopefully will, because I bought this one potentially like 20 days ago, and the return policy is 14 days, so I can't do anything about it. But they're really good. In Lycra you can become a club member, and I knew that I was spending £20 every time I was ordering something, just because it was free delivery, and if you want to return anything, regardless, within 14 days, it's free. So it's really good because you can touch it, you can see if it's the kind of fabric you want, and then if not, you return it for free of charge, which is great. And if you become a member, you pay £20 a year, which I do, you get to have 10% off for everything that you buy. But I am going to say it is quite expensive. Some of the stuff that I see there, I don't want to buy just because it's beyond what it should be. So this is navy. I bought 2 meters. The reason I buy 2 meters because I don't want to be short when I do projects. However, I have done t-shirts just for 1 meter. So again, I'm talking about t-shirts because I haven't sewn enough, and you know, I want to go and practice more. I bought 2 meters for this one just because I'm going to teach 2 people how to do a t-shirt, and if you know, if they mess up, girl, I got you. So that's what I kind of want to do, 2 meters. It is navy. I hope they like it. But yeah, this is one. What do you think? So this one, I bought 2 meters, is for plain viscose and Lycra stretch jersey knit dress fabric, navy blue. But yeah, I really like it. Don't worry, I will open for you and I will let you know, and I will let you see, I guess. Yeah, so I bought this one. Now, I'm gonna put, I actually gonna put over there, like, the picture. Now, this looks purple, okay? That's navy, okay? That's purple. The name for this is plain viscosity and Lycra stretch jersey knit dress fabric, pastel. They need to use lighting when they take pictures. No shade, trust me. It's just that this was a beautiful grey, a grey that I wanted. It wasn't. And you know, this is why I feel that they're okay for people to return things. And actually, I need to return this one as soon as possible. I think today or tomorrow, just because it's going to be 14 days. I feel that they lie. You know, they lied. This is like internet, you know, catfish. But yeah, so this one is going. Don't like it. So this is a light chestnut. It's the same fabric as all of them. I bought 2 of quantity, 2 2 meters as usual. They have the little name, and some of them they always change, and I really like to know who picks my order. I don't even know why, but it's the same fabric, different color. I thought, why not? Again, this is the other one that I'm going to use for the project when I go to teach the 2 people that I want to teach how to make t-shirts. So yeah, so I hope they like this, the navy, and there is this one, the chestnut. It looks more like salmon, if I'm honest. But yeah, I'm living for it, you know? Let's see what happens. You hate it. Everyone got different taste. Now, the company is really professional, Nivea Craft, okay? However, this one is 0.8 meters, so they didn't have enough in the roll, and I was like, yeah, that's cool. They refunded me 72 pence. It was $3.99 before. The name of this fabric, it was the last one, so, but I'm returning it, and I don't want you guys to pick it, because the name is, it's not very creative, this one. It's a diagonal print stretch viscosity jersey dress fabric, black white, okay? Now, it looks nice, okay? It looks beautiful. However, it's a bit too thin. So, like, you know, like, it's a bit thin. But that was my problem. I was like, oh, you know what, that's no problem. However, when I come here, there's like a bleach stain right there. Now, this is 0.8 meters. How am I going to make a t-shirt that I need to use every little side of it, and I can't? No. So, even though it was alright, I don't know if I should keep it and do a test run, see what happens, because it was like £2.70 something. So I feel like, you know, I'm living for it. I think like I could do something with it, even if it's a practice run, which actually I'm kind of like leaning to. It is nice, don't get me wrong. And see, this is what I mean with the color. I could use a jersey to do the color, the neck band, so it's kind of nice. But that's what I mean. Like, it's good, but it ain't that good. So I don't know if I should keep it as a test I should keep it as a test run or anything like that. So I want to know what to do, but yeah, I don't know yet. Okay, I think I might keep it. I changed my mind a lot, so I will see what happens if I'm honest. But let's see, okay? Honey, I can't do. It's ready focus, but just for the, you know, mood. You know. Now, the reason I'm doing that is because I'm not a huge stripe person, but you can do. And when I saw this, I thought, it looks cute. It was more expensive than your usual, but I understand why. It's very thick, and it doesn't have that t-shirt vibe. And at the moment, I can't do anything rather than a t-shirt, so I'm trying to progress, but I can't yet. But yeah, let's see. So this one was quite expensive. I don't even have it there. I'm gonna look for it. Yeah, I'm gonna put it somewhere over there. The name, because I don't even say the name here. Again, I believe I paid quite a bit. It was like £5 something per meter, and I got 2 meters. But I want to see what project I can do with it. I think I could do something quirky, something unusual, you know? So it's quite beautiful. It's quite thick. You wouldn't be able to notice. It does stretch both ways, but I don't know, I'm living for it. Like, it's really beautiful. I don't know, but it's quite thick, so it's not something that would be like a nice t-shirt unless you make it really unusual. And maybe I can play and be creative. So, I don't know, I'm living for it. I know I say I'm living for every fabric, and that's why I end up spending all my money. However, on this occasion, I'm actually alright. So yeah, what do you think?